Now we are going to solve question number 43, and this question is related to trigonometry and height and distance. If the angle of elevation of sun increases from 0 to 90 degree, then the change in the length of shadow, the question is too important when we are getting the word change, then the change in length of shadow of tar will be. It means we have to use this figure according to the change in theta. We know, assume when the clock at 9 am or 6 am, then the length of shadow of our body is too lengthy. So when theta is equals to 0, then the length is longest, and when it moves to increase, so theta will be 90 degree at final position. We know tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. So we are getting a right angle triangle, and we can say tan theta is equals to AB upon BC, where BC equals to length of shadow and theta is variable from 0 to 90 degree. Since theta is not equal to 90, I use the arrow between theta and 90. This shows theta is moving to 90. This is called theta tends to 90. When theta tends to 90, the value of tan theta tends to infinite. We all know the value of infinite we cannot find, is not achievable value. So final value of the tan theta we are not having. This is infinite. So by this equation number 1, the value of BC is equals to AB upon tan theta, and BC tends to. Now we are using tends to, since we are putting the value of tan theta, which is not exactly same as infinite, it is moving to infinite. So BC tends to 0, since infinite is in denominator, when it comes in numerator it becomes 0. So we are not achieving the infinite, and we are not exactly on 90 degree. So BC, which is length of the shadow, is tends to 0. It means the option number 3 is correct. The length of shadow decreases. So length of the shadow decreases is the correct answer. But if theta is equal to 90 degree, it is obviously that the change of theta is from 0 to 90 degree, so the final value of theta become 90 degree. And if we put theta equal to exactly 90, it become 0 and not arrow. This become BC equal to 0. In this situation, BC is equal to 0. In this case, the fourth option will correct. Length of shadow will be 0. But there is a difference between these two solutions is this, we are getting the change, and in the second, which was I explained you, length of shadow will be 0. This is possible when theta equal to 90 degree, but we are getting theta is moving on 90 degree. So the correct final option is 3.